Sunday mornings. It's an unmatched feeling of waking up before the world, without any thoughts on the mind or a plan on the list. Just a day of wandering and exploration. The kind of the thing one has to experience firsthand. I have forever been one for the road, always in search of extraordinary journeys and picture perfect places. I believe that the best life has to offer lies in the depths of nature. The shade of the morning sky has always been my favorite color. The sunrise, of course, with its charming colors, will never cease to be utterly breathtaking. However, not many stop to look at it. The cool breeze, wonderful tarmac, soft swaying trees, and the lush positivity. These are the little joys that surround me on a perfect day's drive. They say the journey is more beautiful than the destination, but nothing can beat the view at the top of a hard climb. Much like life, the best of the sunshine comes only after the worst of the storm. The pristine view of the valleys between the mountains, the old twisted roads reduced to tiny little twisted lines, and the lush green surroundings make the purest form of a stress buster for almost anyone. I believe that every step closer to nature, one receives more than what they are looking for. The deeper you wander into, the better your soul connects to the natural beauty. I still remember the very first time I stood at a waterfall, at the age of 5. To this day, it has remained one of the most favorite element of nature for me. The rush, the flow, all of it. A waterfall is nature's sweet laughter, a way of radiating joy, and in her joy, I find mine. Sunsets are proof that endings can be beautiful too. Staring out into the far horizon and watching the sun slowly disappear. There is so much meaning to the color orange. Success, encouragement, warmth, and most of all, joy. This hike into nature has brought me closer to her essence. It seems almost impossible to have been on this soulful journey carrying the essence of nature, her joy, her love, and her brightness without it being a dream. Or was this all a dream? Let's make it a reality.